Want to make your church glow with the true spirit of Christmas? Decorations in sacred spaces should feel warm, meaningful, and welcoming. From nativity displays to candlelit aisles, every touch can reflect both celebration and reverence. Let's explore inspiring ways to create a church atmosphere that uplifts hearts and honors the season. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a good idea for church windows? Use wreaths, stained glass accents, or candles in each window. This makes the church feel radiant from both the inside and outside during evening services. Windows shining bright, like this if your glass glows with sacred beauty. What kind of nativity display works best? Set up a central nativity scene inside the sanctuary or near the altar. Use figurines, simple lighting, and greenery to draw focus on the true meaning of Christmas. Nativity at the center, like this if Christ's birth is your focus. What about outdoor decorations? Set up nativity scenes, luminarias, or lighted crosses. Add wreaths and evergreen arrangements so the outside of the church radiates the season's joy. Outdoors with spirit, like this if your church shines for the community. What about decorating the pews? Tie bows, greenery sprigs, or small lanterns to pew ends. Keep them modest so they don't distract from worship but still add charm to the sanctuary space. Pews dressed in joy, like this if your seating reflects the season. How do I style the altar area? Add greenery garlands, poinsettias, and candles. Keep decorations respectful and balanced so the altar remains the sacred centerpiece of the church service. Altar aglow? Like this if your sanctuary feels reverent, yet festive. How do I keep the decor balanced and respectful? Focus on faith-centered symbols, limit clutter, and highlight Christ's birth. Simplicity often brings the strongest impact while keeping worship central. Balanced with reverence, like this if your decor honors the holy season. How do I incorporate music into the decor? Display hymn lyrics on banners, decorate with sheet music, or add instruments like bells and harps to the visual theme. It ties decor to the sound of worship. Music and message? Like this if your decor sings with meaning. How do I begin decorating a church for Christmas? Start with a consistent theme rooted in faith, like nativity, light, or joy. Use colors such as red, green, gold, and white to bring both tradition and warmth together. Heartfelt beginnings? Like this if your church shines with sacred cheer. How can I use lighting to enhance the atmosphere? Rely on warm white lights, candles, or lanterns. Illuminate pathways, highlight the nativity, and create a peaceful glow that feels both spiritual and celebratory. Lighting the way? Like this if your church glows with heavenly warmth. Can I use Christmas trees in a church? Yes, place trees at the front, side aisles, or entryway. Decorate with white lights, faith-inspired ornaments, and ribbons that highlight the church's message of hope. Trees with purpose? Like this, if your evergreens point to eternal life. Can I decorate the church entrance? Yes, add wreaths, garlands, and welcoming signs at the doorway. A festive entrance invites guests to step inside and experience the warmth of the service. Doorway of joy? Like this, if your entrance welcomes all with love. Can children be part of decorating? Yes, invite them to create ornaments, banners, or artwork. Display their crafts around classrooms or fellowship halls to add joy and inclusivity. Children sharing joy? Like this, if their hands bring faith to life. Christmas church decor is more than beauty. It's a way to reflect love, faith, and celebration. With nativities, candles, and heartfelt touches, you create a sacred space where the season's true meaning shines. Inspired by these ideas? Like and return for more uplifting holiday decor.